In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a logo using Elementor. Whether you're looking to give your website a fresh new look or simply need to update your branding, changing your logo in Elementor is a straightforward process. Let's walk through the steps together to make sure your website is reflecting your brand just the way you want it to. Let's start by opening your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, you'll need to navigate to your site's front end where Elementor is active. To do this, find your way to the page where your logo currently appears. If your logo is sitting nicely at the top of your page, you'll want to click on the header section to get into Elementor's editing mode. Once you're editing with Elementor, click on your logo. This action opens up the element or widget settings on the left side of your screen. Here, you should see a tab or option labeled Style. Go ahead and click on it. Under the Style tab, there's a section for images. You'll notice the current logo displayed there. Now, you're ready to change that image. Simply click on the existing logo and a media library will pop up. This is where you can upload your new logo or select an existing one if you've uploaded it previously. After you've chosen your new logo file and it's uploaded, make sure you pay careful attention to the settings underneath the image. One important thing to note is the image size. You'll see various options here that let you adjust the size to fit exactly how you want it to display on your site. It can be helpful to refer to your branding guidelines to ensure it's the right size and quality. Now, once you feel confident everything looks right, make sure to click that trusty Update button at the bottom. This ensures all your changes are saved so they can go live on your website. Always double-check at the front-end view of your site to confirm the new logo is looking just as sharp as you imagined it would. However, if you are using a plugin like Elementor Header and Footer Builder, there's a slightly different route. Start by going to Appearance in your WordPress dashboard, and then head to the Elementor Header and Footer Builder. From here, you'll edit the header template. The process to replace the logo is quite similar. Simply click on the logo, select your new image from the media library, and then update it. Remember, that crucial Update button will be your best friend to make all changes effective. And there you have it. That's how you can effortlessly update your logo using Elementor. By following these steps, you're ensuring that your website doesn't just look good, but truly represents your brand. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to check out more of our videos for additional tips and tricks with Elementor and WordPress.